Right, just thought I'd go out for a little ride, test out this another microphone, hopefully be a bit better. I haven't been out on Dusty for quite a while, probably about 2 weeks now. Shears all running. We're running the Vmc kit 2.0 Super G 2.0, that's it. So yeah, I thought we'd just give it a little bit of a run out and give you my opinion on it, really. So yeah, let's go. God, feels nice being back on her again. It did start to rain, and I was like, oh fuck it, let's go. So yeah, she is running really nice now. Those that regularly watch my channel, Dusty used to be on a DR kit. And she now running this VMC kit. She just wants to pull, which is great. Problem with that DR kit, it used to not want to run through town very well. It's very lumpy, and I couldn't iron it out. But with this new VMC kit, look, it's just nice and smooth through town. And that's what I wanted. None of this jumping around crap going through town and that. She's a lot more manageable now. Yeah, it's nuts. So it knocks socks off that bloody DR kit. You know, that DR kit that goes 80 miles an hour. So this new Super G kit that I'm running right now, I am running a 126 main jet. I think it's a 55 160 eyelet jet. Standard atomizer. Whoa, man. Yeah, nice. Fucking hell, it's starting raining now. Bollocks. running a vape ignition at 18 degrees. Polini big box with a Polini up gear kit, so she can rev out longer in gear. So I'm in third gear right now, and she could rev right out if I wanted to. Look, ready? See? Fourth gear now. She's got so much low end balls on her, it's amazing. The torque is so much better than the DR kit. They can let me go? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the torque is amazing on this thing. It really pulls. So I'm in second gear now. I'm going to give it the throttle. Fucking hell. Yeah, nice. Love it. Absolutely love it. So temperature rise, she's at 73 degrees. I mean, we only have been pootling around in that. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this kit. Fuel wise, I think it's slightly better than the DR kit, because obviously the DR kit was, you know, designed in the 80s and that. It's an old fashioned kit compared to this one, which is the new VMC kit. Modern day technology, modern day engineering and that. So yeah, and cost wise it ain't much difference. I will put a comparison between the DR kit and this kit right here. So it really is up to you which one you want. Me personally would always now fit a VMC kit, because they are, what I've been told, they're bulletproof. They've improved the airflow on the cylinder head, just to allow that extra cooling across the top of the head, which is definitely a massive improvement compared to the DR kit. So yeah, I would definitely recommend one. I'm sorry, Dusty, for taking you out in this rain, but oh well. You needed some good running. This is fourth gear, going up quite a steep hill, going 30 miles an hour up this steep hill. It was like nothing there. Absolutely nothing. I still haven't drilled out the carburetor yet on this, because the scooter boys say if you've got a main jet above 120, then the float bowl main jet hole won't necessarily keep up with the demand. So that is still something I need to do, is drill it out 1 mil. Where the fuck am I going? So yeah, that is something I need to do. Let's give her some. Wow, well, I won't say how fast that was. She flew. Be interesting to see what she does on the dyno as well. Looking forward to that when the weather gets a bit better. I drill up that carb as well. So yeah, I am now at my destination, aka Audi. Thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Thank you for the new subscribers. Oh, a little update on the Lambretta. We finally got some side panels. So we got them. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Dusty says bye.